Hey guys, it's Paintball Pro 138 here, and today me and Jake wanted to fly our helicopters. So I have the Airhog Sharpshooter here. I only have one missile in it. We're at Jake's house, so Jake's is still charging. We're having some trouble. We don't know what kind it is, so.
But we do know that it will be done soon.
Yeah.
So we'll probably get that thing up flying.
Mine is fully charged. The only bad thing about sharpshooters is they go high really fast. They feel really nice when you do this. They can't do matrix like this.
Like
Can't
mine.
do that unless you like completely hack it. Jake just like fell, so he's gonna get off that couch before I kill him. Another thing is they turn by themselves. They're very hard to stall. If any of you know what stalling means. It's like when you go straight up, then you just pause it, and then you go up again. There's a few movies that do it.
One of them's like 18.
Oh yeah, best hilarious military movie ever. Battle of Los Angeles, they did it.
Yeah, Battle of Los Angeles was awesome.
Oh!
Yeah, with this helicopter you can't stall. With mine can do backflips. I hope.
Another thing is this red button shoots the missiles. See, you can't shoot it without the propellers going. See, and it jerks the helicopter back like a real missile would. And another thing, if it goes out of range and crashes, your controller might like, you can turn your controller off and it'll still be going. Easy down.
You lift them off. Put them on the table.
It's a very nice helicopter. It's like a Black Hawk. It has wheels for landing. The propellers, they're bendable, but don't bend them like you would like a piece of paper. Like bend it like that and like crease it. 'Cause 1, you can break it. 2, you can mess up the flying, and 3, you can destroy the whole helicopter. If you break one of the propellers, you can destroy the whole helicopter because the motor would be working unevenly. Put the missile in. Jake, how much time is this already?
3 minutes.
Another thing, if you look hard enough, you can see like an X when the propellers are going fast. You can see like the dark moving. And the slower you go, the more you can see the air hogs. That's good. I got this from Walmart for like $45. I just landed it like an airplane. It was like up here. And it came down. It kept drifting.
Hey, I want to fly it.
Alright.
Here.
Not the best to find these things.
Jake doesn't know how to fly a air hogs like mine. Yeah, Jake, you gotta
I'm
ease.
just gonna kind of stay with the distance.
It's easier to turn right than left. Ease it down. The missiles are about this big. Crap out of me, Jake. Oh, just saved it. That's the good thing about the propellers. If you saw that, came up, hit the edge, and you swerved a little, and you like did it like 2-3 donuts. It's very noisy. Like you can hear the like the screeching of it. Jake tried to blow it down and it didn't work.
It hit me. Wait, did you load it? Nope.
Here, land it. Left, and you're good. You're good. I'm gonna set you guys down. Jake, you're just gonna start the propellers. No, a little bit when I tell you to. Just a little bit. No. And you're gonna shoot the missile. Okay, wait. Not yet. I tell you to. Okay. Shoot the missile. And it went right under. It went right under the screen. The screen is to the left of you guys. It almost went through the pocket. There's a hole in the pocket. It almost went all the way through that.
Oh!
Hit down the Q. Here, I got the missile. Nice landing. This is it up close. That's where you charge it. You can tell it's on from a blinking light right there. Really, it's not that bright. But it's pretty cool in a dark room when you're flying it. But,
Now I'm gonna try to shoot down this or hit it, at least. I'm gonna try to do something to it that can make it fall over. Like one. No.
you can't carry, like, the plastic army men. You can't, like, put a 2-pound test line of fishing line tied to the wheels. You can't do that and, like, tie the army man. I've tried it many times before. It, like, dragged down the whole thing. On full speed, the helicopter with the army man tied on, it went about, like, 3 feet off the ground. And that was about how much
Let's try to shoot this thing down.
line we had.
Ow! I got it!
What, did you, like, run it over?
Yeah. I lost control. By the camera.
He just, like, circled around you guys. Here, Jake, I want to fly. No! Seriously, it died?
Again. Let's try hot wiring this thing.
Jake, both lights are off.
It might be charged. Let's see if we got this puppy working.
So, Jake's might be charged.
Nope, not yet.
Try the switch on the other end of the helicopter. Where's your dad's?
It's upstairs, but I don't know what it is. Yeah. We're gonna
This
let
is
guys.
Paintball Pro 138.
We're just gonna
Rate, comment, subscribe on our videos, and later. We might do like another pool game, or we might do something. Something else. No, we're modifying his
Vulcan and Bazooka.
Vulcan and
Bazooka.
and
So
fixing and modifying his bazooka.
yeah, we'll get back to you with that. Bye.
So.